बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, welcome back to my channel. These are very incredible and very beautiful seashell craft ideas for you guys, and I hope so you like these seashell craft ideas. So thank you for supporting my channel, guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. These are very stunning, very beautiful and very unique ideas for you guys. You can make these seashell craft at home very easily, and if you don't know about how to make these type of seashell centerpieces ideas, then you watch DIY tutorials on YouTube, about how to make these type of seashell craft ideas. So viewers, these are very amazing, unique and very stunning seashell art and craft work for you guys. So viewers, thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. These are very beautiful, very amazing and very unique seashell craft ideas for you guys. So follow for more details, and if you want different other kind of craft work, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. I personally enjoyed these type of seashell craft work. These seashell craft work are very pretty and very incredible and very interesting, attractive craft work and centerpieces ideas for your home decor. This is very in cheap in prices. So hope so guys you like these seashell craft ideas. Follow for more details. Keep subscribing my channel. Keep watching my videos. These are the best and amazing ideas for you guys. Always thank you for supporting my channel. And these are very beautiful ideas for you guys. If you don't know about how to make these type of seashell craft ideas, these are very incredible and very classy ideas for you guys. And hopefully you enjoyed these seashells centerpieces decoration ideas. Follow for more details. Keep subscribing my channel. Keep watching my videos. These are very amazing and very unique ideas for you guys. So thank you for watching my videos. Always take care. Always be happy. Allah Hafiz guys.